Hello there, my name's Michael. I'm from Illinois, and I'm here to talk about my Intoxalock experience. In January of 2024, I unfortunately received a DUI. That left me without a license, which made my job practically impossible. So looking looking at alternatives, I found Intoxalock and I called about it to inquire what I needed to do to get the device. And the customer service was excellent. They explained the whole process to me, the steps that I needed to take to get the Intoxalock sent. They sent it to the shop, a mechanic shop that I chose to install it. They were an authorized mechanic shop to install the device. The installation was easy. I basically just drove up, they turned over my car and they installed the device, and they walked me through showing me how to use the device, what I needed to do to provide a breath sample, made sure that everything was kosher there. So that went pretty slick. Any questions or hiccups I might have had, which were very, very few, I just called the customer service line and they were great to explain things to me. So that was great. I'm going to show you here how the Intoxalock works to start your car. Okay, so here I am in my car and I've got my Intoxalock device. What I need to do here is I'm just going to push this button. Bug on me. Okay, it shows me it's clearing and it's asking me to blow. I'm going to blow into the mouthpiece here. I'm going to blow in 3 seconds, suck in for 3 seconds, and blow out for 3 seconds. Okay, I didn't hear the beep. That was my fault. I waited too long, so it's clearing. I'm going to blow now. All right, and the device vibrates. It tells you that it got the reading. It's saying it's testing. And it says my blood alcohol is 0. I passed and I can start my car. And voila. So that's the ease of the Intoxalock device. It's had a real positive impact on my life from my experience here. So I hope that answers some questions, and good luck.